said, warning, please do not attempt to perform any of the stunts or activities in this show.
But it's good. Like, I was terrified, and you got it on camera.
It'll be great. I can't wait to look at it. I'm sure your face is like...
I was planning to be like, I'm gonna be cool and collected. I'm not gonna do anything. And then I was like, nope, I'm terrified. I'm gonna die.
Alright, say that one more time. The camera's on.
I'm safe. Because I'm wearing my seatbelt. And we're in weather mode.
And we got God on our side. Yeet.
Yeet.
The Yeet Master.
Oh my god.
Father of Yeet.
Because we're yeeting instead of eating pancakes. To Vancouver!
We're going to Salem.
Woohoo! Yeet!
When it's sunny, we'll have to do the gangsta playlist.
Oh yeah. Thug life.
Thug life.
Thug life. We didn't choose it. It chose us.
I'm never going broke, cause I gotta have it.
Does it have paddle shifters or anything?
Yeah.
If you ever decide you wanted to do that?
Yeah,
That's cool.
That's how I always eat.
Oh yeah, with the paddle shifters. That makes sense.
Like,
dang. Yeet. Yeet. It's really smooth.
alright, she warmed up.
Oh
yeah!
I'm ready. Oh boy. Katie's ready.
Maybe it's time you started fearing me.
Yeet.
That's what we don't want to happen.
Right, fishtailing, bad. We're yeeting. Oh yeah, yeet. Okay, that was a little scary. I won't even lie. I didn't expect to be scared, but I was scared. Oh, who's this Joker?
You wanna know how I got these scars?
Aiden grabbed the handle. Not usually a handle grabber.
Like, where's the handle?
What a way to go.
Yeah, like...
Oh man. We're gonna go for the terrified looking geek.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
That was insane. I think I was.
We'll check the footage.
I think I was scareder the first time.
You get used to it.
Yeah. The feeling of being off the ground. Eating it the Brady. We're not gonna die, right?
Hopefully not.
Eat. That's gonna leave a mark. I don't know.
That sounded really rough.
Yeah, something cracked. It's probably my teeth.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping.
Sounded like something like slammed down, or I was gonna say if I had apple juice in the trunk, maybe it's just like the apple juice hit the ceiling, but
But it did sound like something just compressing.
yeah,
And then
that's what it looked like. But I mean, because mostly the bottom is like straight flat,
yeah.
so it looked like it was smashed a little bit.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, as long as it's not nothing important, then whatever.
It nobody sees underneath anyways.
That's right.
Woo!
Alright, I guess we'll keep eating.
Keep eating. What? Are you serious?
Yeah. Got a new record, girl.
Yeah! Yeet!
Yeet Street.
Yeet Street! They should rename that road for sure.
Yeah, the sketchy meter, that was like a 9.5.
Yeah, I'm sure you got some really good faces.
Oh, you were like, ah! We're like, we're gonna die.
Yeah. Pretty much. You think it'll pick up
There's no way there's no way it won't be able to.
That was so loud.
It's not like something snapped in half. America at its finest.
That's right. That's right. Sketch meter 9.5.
Oh my.
Yeet.
Did they Peter's praying for us?
I think the weather mode is just for peace of mind.
Weather mode is really saving our lives right now. Thank you, Corvette.
Woo! Hey! Yeet, yeet. New eating record.
It wasn't as scary though.
No, not at all. That other one was like.
I guess there's a reason why it's a 25 road.
Oh my gosh.
Need at least like a 7-inch clearance, and we only got like 6.
You might have 7 now.
Yeah, we got 7 now.
The road has to be at least worth like 150 on a normal road.
No, that's like something I've never gone before. That's like next level.
I'm glad we lived.
Now we have a cool story to tell.
Heck yeah, we do.
We probably should have known by the first time when we were like airborne. We were like, oh, coming back will be just fine.
Yeah, we hit so hard.
That was crazy.
That was insane. Definitely the wildest ride I've ever been on. And the fastest.
I got you.
Yeah. Thanks, John. Whoop, whoop.
In 2 miles, at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit onto Southwest.
Dude, we almost died. We did it.
The best rides.
That was so sketch. She's like, and here John was telling me not to die. I'm going to tell him not to kill you. He tried.
Kaylee said, please don't try to kill Kylie. I need her in order to afford rent hands with medium light skin tone pressed together.
Yes!
Would you like to reply?
Yes.
Oh,
my
you're right. That is gold.
That's so gold.
Gold.
In 1.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the 2nd exit onto Stafford Road.
So violent when it gets traction again.
That's a losing traction.
Oh, I thought we just didn't have any.
I mean, yeah, you're right. Yeah.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Larch Street. Turn left onto Larch Street.
We will not. Sweet.
All right.
That was the scary.
All the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy.